Here we have one of the 3 feet deep watercraft trailers. Caravan, 1,500 pound aluminum. It has, as you can see, it has the Easy Lube hubs, they're called. And we're going to take that apart and show you kind of how that works, but we're also going to install a pair of these. Okay, first thing we have to do is remove the existing little rubber plug and dust collar. The Easy Lube hubs have a grease nipple. You pump grease in there, it goes through the shaft, and it comes out between the rear seal and the bearing and pushes everything out. So as I'm pumping grease in, spinning the wheel helps to push it through the bearing. You see it all coming through. So that's forced fresh grease through both bearings, and now it's pushing it out the side. The problem with this little cap here, it's a pretty good water seal between there and the hub. But it's not a very good water seal. As you can see, there's a little bit of water in there right now. So even though we like this system, we're going to seal it up even better with the bearing buddies. So the bearing buddies come in different sizes, so you got to measure your old cap and make sure you buy the correct size bearing buddy. So the way these work, there's a little spring in there. So when this gets full of grease, the pressure pushes up against the spring. So it always maintains a very small positive pressure within the grease in the hubs so that water can't get in. Because I think this grease nipple sticks out too far. Like it's going to hit the back of this, so we're going to have to take that grease nipple off. We're going to fill it with grease until we see the indicator move that we've got the cavity full. One side done.